Well, look what I bought. These are 17-inch by 9s with a 5-inch offset, I guess is what you call it. I don't know the actual negative. If it's I'm pretty sure it's about a negative 34-ish. Anyway, why I bought these ones and that one, there's 5 of them. My wife bought a Jeep for Christmas. So I went to the local auto parts store for me, it's Canadian Tire in Napa. And I priced out 4 steel rims to put snow tires onto her Jeep. They wanted $119 Canadian per steel rim. So do the math, that's $480 for 4 of them. And then you got tax, which is 13%, so that brings it up to about $550. I'm estimating off the top of my head. So I would have paid $550 for 4 steel rims. But I got 5 aluminum Mickey Thompson rims with center caps for $300 used on Kijiji. Now, I do have 17-inch snows. The only downside is these rims are pretty damn wide, and these tires are wide, but not as wide as the rims. So I really do have to put a lot of effort to getting these tires on these rims, and that's why I have these buckets set up like this, because I end up mounting the back bead and then standing on the buckets to mount the top bead. I've already cleaned this rim. It doesn't look that clean right now because I just did put my boots inside of it, and I had to put a little bit of lubricant to help the tire go on. I'm going to show you guys how to clean and polish your aluminum rims, but unfortunately I went out and bought this expensive aluminum rim cleaner, which actually worked really good for that one. It got all the brake dust off. It actually foamed. It was really nice, but I stepped on it and broke the bottom and didn't realize it, and it all leaked out on the ground. So I'm going to try to use the rest of this, which there's really not that much, and then I'm going to try to use some throttle body cleaner, some degreaser, and all that other stuff to clean these rims up. And then I bought some Mother's Polish, and I bought a polishing tool for my drill, and all we're going to do is make these rims look pretty. So basically, they don't have to look 100%. They're just snow tires. They're snow rims for my wife's Jeep. The only thing is that it was much cheaper to go this route. I saved about $180 buying 5 of them that are aluminum and actually nice rims and worth something, than rather than just some steel steel winter tires. So we're going to clean all these up and get going. So first step is I always pick the rims up. These actually have some weight to them. They're pretty thick. Put them on my tire machine and hold them down. Now you don't need a tire machine. It's just what I have. So let's see how much fluid is left in this gun. I don't think there's really that much. But I like this. It comes out nice and foamy, and she is just about out. So I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then I come back with a clean rag and I wipe it all up as best as I can. And then I break out the polish, and the polishing takes about 20 minutes, 25 minutes per rim. Buddy told me on the internet that these just needed a good polish, and you know what? I've bought rims off the internet before, and people have told me all they need is a good polish. They don't. They're always oxidized and have brake dust burns in them, and they're always garbage. But actually, this guy here was really honest. These rims are all in great condition. One has curb rash, but I'm not overly concerned about that, so I'm not too worried about the curb rash. I think it's this one right here, something like that. That's really nothing. I'm happy. But I only do have 4 tires, so I will try to find a 5th one that is roughly the same size so I can mount this on the back of my wife's Jeep. So that way all the rims match, because I know that she's going to be pretty anal about that. So we're just going to clean this thing up and give her a good polish. I just got all these tires balanced. and pretty happy. Didn't take them that long. Dropped them off, went to town, came back, they were done. Says they all balanced up pretty easily, so I'm pretty excited about that. And believe it or not, this is one of my funnest places to come and see what kind of cars they got. You guys know what that is? He won't let me smash that. He's put a lot of money and time into that. But I am talking about getting the motor out of this thing at a later date. 2.3 carbureted. He wants to keep the car, unfortunately, but apparently the motor might be up for grabs. So there we go. We got all 5 of the rims we bought put onto the wife's Jeep. For the cost of buying, let's just put this in perspective. I bought 3 rims and got the 4 tires pretty much for free. I had to pay $50 to balance them. I installed them myself. Put them on there. I spent $62 in cleaning and polishing products. So that is a total price tag of $300 for the rims, $40 for fuel, and pretty much $110 for everything else. So you're talking $450 for the rims, balanced, installed on the vehicle. Canadian Tire wanted $120 each for just the plain Jane steel rims that look like that. So $120 a piece times 4, that's $480 plus tax, that's $530. $530 for those. That is not tires balanced, not tires installed, just the rims in my house. And now I have beautiful rims for this thing to run all winter. Half decent snows, and the wife loves it. So guys, if you're looking to buy snow tires and rims for your vehicle, make sure you check out the used category on your local Craigslist or Kijiji and see what they have available. So thanks for watching, guys, and the wife is happy sitting in her new Jeep. If you guys haven't known yet, my wife bought a Jeep. There'll be plenty more videos of this thing to come. I know it. Take care, guys. See you back here tomorrow.